Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are well. I am your IT teacher and this is grade 3rd IT. In today's video, let us do the continuation of lesson number 1, parts of a computer. So in the last video, so we have learned in the previous class that computers are used in different fields. So in today's video, I am going to explain the new topic, that is functions of a computer. This is page number 6. Functions of a computer. Input: the data and instruction which we enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer is called input. So the data and instruction which we enter using a keyboard or a mouse into a computer is called input. We can enter numbers, words, pictures or sounds as input. So this is called data. What it is called? This is called data. Next, processing. After entering data and instruction in a computer, the CPU works on the given data to give a meaningful information. This is called processing. So whenever you enter the data and instruction in a computer, what CPU will do? CPU works on the given data to give a meaningful information. This is called processing. Output. So when the data is processed in CPU to give useful information, it is known as output. So this input process output, IPO, input process output cycle, can be understood with the help of given example. So this is the example. Suppose you get marks of different subjects and want to calculate the total on a computer. See how the processing takes place in a computer. See this. This is the input we are giving. So these are the marks we are allotting for particular subjects. 90, 85, 69, 98, 76, 84. Plus data and instruction. The first step is to input data, that is marks. Next step is processing. So processing is nothing but we are giving only input. So what they are doing? Working on the data on the basis of given instruction. So they are calculating 90 plus, so 90 plus 85 plus 69 plus 98 plus 76 plus 84. So working on the data on the basis of given instruction. Next we are getting output. After adding this all the marks, after adding this all the marks, you will get 502 as output. Total marks is 502. This is meaningful information, or you can say it is a result. So on the basis of total marks, the teacher calculates the percentage of a student and finds his or her position in the class. So likewise, we also perform various tasks by following the IPO. Full form of IPO, input process output cycle. Let us understand it from some day-to-day life examples. So these are the examples. When your mother prepares a cup of tea, what steps does she take? So when our mother prepares a cup of tea, what step does she take? See, these are the steps. Collecting water, tea leaves, milk and sugar. So these are the input. So this is the first step, input. Next, boiling water, tea leaves, milk and sugar. It will process. So this is the second step. After processing, after boiling water, tea leaves, milk and sugar, what is the result? Tea will be prepared. So this is the output. So without collecting water, tea leaves, milk and sugar, we cannot prepare a tea. Requirements, must and compulsory. So after taking this all the materials, we need boiling water, tea leaves, milk and sugar. Everything should be boiled. So after boiling, tea will be ready. So this is called output. So these are the functions of computer. So examples also we have seen. So let us take another example. When you want to talk to your friend on telephone, what steps do you take? First step, finding and dialing the number. This is an input. Second step, connecting the number. This is processing. Third step, take to your friend. So this is output. Now you have understood clearly. Okay. So first step is finding and dialing the number. This is an input. Next, processing, nothing but connecting the number. Third step, talking to your friend. This is an output. Okay. So these are the best example I have given to you people. Understood today's class. So in the next class I will be doing the continuation. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.